Hey everyone, my name is Riley, and in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can create a course on Kajabi. If you do not yet have a Kajabi account and you would like to claim the extended trial of Kajabi, I will leave my affiliate link in the description of this video, and signing up through my affiliate link right here will give you access to the extended free trial of Kajabi. As you can see, we can get an extended 30-day free trial, as opposed to the standard 14-day free trial that you can get if you just go straight to the Kajabi website. Once you have either signed up for that free trial, or you have logged in to your Kajabi account, to create a course, all we are going to do is go over to products on this left-hand side, and open this up, and then go down to courses right here. This is going to take us over to the courses area. So we just want to click on Get Started right here. And then we can go through and enter in the course details. So I'm going to enter in the name of this, which is Affiliate Marketing Mastery. Then we can go down and we can add a brief description that is going to show up right here that summarizes the course. So we can enter that description in right there. And then this section at the bottom, it says use this info to generate content and additional resources. So if we leave this on, what this is going to do is this is going to kind of create us a course outline and show us the type of content that we should be putting in the course. I do not recommend leaving this on, however, because honestly, the outline that it gives us is really not the best, and you're just far better creating your own course content and outline. So we can turn this off and then click on next, and then we can set a primary and an accent color. Now, setting these is not really the most important, because at the end, we can go through and customize this screen in an entirely different way. This is just the basic course layout, and when we actually go through and customize this, we can change the colors, we can add in different images, we can even add rewards that people get for going through the course. So we want to set this up. This is really not the most important. So I can go to the primary color, and interestingly enough, the primary color is not this main background, as you would expect. But we can go in and let's set this to black, and that's going to change the button color right there. So actually, let's change this to blue. And then for the accent color, this main background, we can go ahead and set this to black. Perfect. We can then add a thumbnail image for this course. And if you don't yet have a thumbnail image that you have and are ready to put in here, what I recommend is you want to create this on this tool right here called Canva. And I will show you how quickly we can do this. So we can go to Create Design, and this is the same size as a YouTube thumbnail. So we can go in and create this. And then in this design element on this left-hand side, I'm just going to go in here and type in affiliate marketing, because this is what my course is about. And then we have all of these different options down here, where all we have to do is go in and change the text. And this is going to be our thumbnail. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to select this one right here. And then we can go in and change the text. So I'm going to say G-Force North, just like that. Then we can say make money on social media, affiliate marketing. And I'm just going to delete this right here. Perfect. And I now have my thumbnail. So we can then go up and we can go to download this. Make sure this is downloaded right here. And then we can go back and upload this into the course. So we just go here, upload the thumbnail that we just created, and then we can save, upload this. And just like that, we now have this thumbnail. So let's go through into the next step right here. And this is where we can actually choose a price for our course. So we can set this as free, or we can go to the paid option right here. We can also go here and let customers pay what they want. I wouldn't recommend this for a course. This is more for cheaper items like ebooks. But we could turn this on, and let's say the price is like $10. The minimum price that somebody could pay with this on is $10. But if they wanted to, they could pay like 20 or 50, and they can basically choose that right there. But we will leave this off right here. We can then go down and choose the payment method and the additional payment options that we want to take here. And then once we have that set up, we can click into next. Just like that, it's now going to go through and actually build out the product for us and give us a base template right here. So in this area, in the outline area, this is where we can now go ahead and add all of the content that we want to add into this course. So we have, right now we have one blank module and one blank lesson. So let's go in and edit this. let's go to this blank module right here and click on edit. And then I'm going to change the title to module 1, welcome to the course. And then we can add a description right here. So we can add the description in, and then we might also go ahead and add another thumbnail image right here. So this is for welcome to the course. So we can go back over to Canva right here, and let's do the exact same thing where we create a design and then once again a YouTube thumbnail. And this time, instead of searching for affiliate marketing or whatever the course is around, I'm just going to type in welcome. And look at this. Once again, we have all of these different options that we can choose. So this time I'm going to choose this one right here, and welcome to, like say, the course, just like this. Then I'm going to delete the image of this woman right here and upload my own image. So we can drop that in right there. And I'm just going to grab this image right here and make this a little bit bigger. Perfect. And then maybe we even want to change this background to more of a black color, just like that. Looks pretty cool, right? Maybe we can just make this a little bit smaller and drag this down so my shoulder isn't cut off. Perfect. Then I'll just change the name with GeForce North. And then we can maybe delete this right here. And perfect. We just need to go up, change this to, maybe we can change this to like a black color. Perfect. Then once again, we just save this, download. Then we go back over to Kajabi and we can upload this image right here to have another thumbnail. And I recommend doing this. I recommend creating and uploading these thumbnails because it just adds an extra level of professionalism to your course. So we can save this module right here and we now have module 1 created. Then we can go down and we have the first lesson right here. So the way that we edit the modules and the lessons is going to be slightly different because for the lessons, we click on edit right here and we actually go through, and this is where we can add the video to the lesson. We can add some text and everything that we need. So we can go to the top right here and where it says blank lesson, we can say lesson 1, what you will learn. And then we can go down to the media section and add a video because obviously this is a video course. So we just select right here and we can upload a new file. Browse files, and then you can grab your video that you created for the first lesson of this course. As an example, I'm just going to go in and grab one of these videos right here. So like this one, for example, I can drop in, and then we just have to wait a few seconds for this video to go ahead and upload. So that video has now loaded in, and then we can go down and we can add some text underneath this video. So we might want to add like a transcript if we want to type the entire thing out, or alternatively, we could go for like action steps. And then we could say 1, fill out the form, 2, and you can essentially type whatever you want to in here. Let's say do market research, just as an example, okay? And then if you have any downloadable files that you want to add, we can go ahead and add them in right here. Then going up, you can also add a lesson thumbnail. And what I will do usually for the lesson thumbnail is you don't want to make this anything too crazy. So what I like to do is just mute this, open this up, and I will take a screenshot when this is actually better quality. It needs to fully load in first, so give this a few minutes to load the better quality. But just to show you, what I would do is open this up and then take a screenshot right here. So I can take a screenshot of this, just like that. And let's call this thumbnail 1. And then we would essentially go over and just upload this as a thumbnail. So we go in, upload this right here. And the reason that we do this is just on the course page, it makes the course look a lot better. I'll show you this in a second. But once all of that has been filled out, we can then go up and click save. Then what we can do from here, so we have module 1 and lesson 1, and then we can go up here and we can add new content. So we can go add content and we can choose if we want to add another module, if we want to add a submodule, which is kind of like a module within a module. I'll show you this in a second. You can choose to upload multiple videos. You can choose to add a quiz or add another lesson. So we could add another lesson in right here. And then we could say lesson 2, what is affiliate marketing? And then under the module, we select module 1, create the lesson, and that's now going to be added in. So we would just go into edit lesson right here and do this in the exact same way, where we can upload the video, we can type out some text, add the downloads, and go through and add all of that in. Then let's say this module is complete. We can then go to add content, add a new module right here. We'll call this module 2, affiliate marketing basics. Then we can add a description once again, add a thumbnail. I'm not actually going to do this because you get the concept now, but we can create a module right here. And then once again, we can go add content, add a lesson, how affiliate marketing works, select the module under module 2 and create the lesson. And that's now going to be added in. So that is how we can go through and we can actually build out the course right here. The final thing that we need to do once this entire course has been created is just go up here and make sure all of these are set to published. And then once they are, you will be able to preview them and the people in this course will also be able to see these lessons. So that is how we can build the course right there. Another thing that we can do is we can go through and, as I mentioned earlier, we can customize the course area. So by default, this is the standard theme that we are going to get inside of Kajabi. And if I just click here and preview, we can see this is how this is going to look. So this is why I recommended taking a screenshot and uploading it right here. Because if we don't add a thumbnail, then it's just going to look like this. And it doesn't look the most professional, right? Either way, this is the standard theme right here. And what we can do is we can go in and we can just customize this standard theme. So we can go into customization right here and customize this area. So we might go up and add our logo here. So we can see the logo area. We can go down and select an image, upload a file, and then I'm just going to upload my logo right here, save and upload. And that is now going to be uploaded. Then we can go through and we can choose if we want to show the title and the description. We can then go down and click into here, for example, and choose, I don't know why we would not show the syllabus, but you can turn this off. We can then choose the categories text. We can choose if any of the courses are coming soon, we can set that right there. And that is how we can edit this area. However, what I recommend doing is installing one of these templates. So as an example, this would be a fantastic template for like a female Instagram coach. Whereas this template is probably better for like education, like this just looks educational. My favorite one is this Gamify Lite right here. So we can preview the template and take a look at how this is going to look. We can add in different badges right here and it essentially gamifies the whole area. So this looks awesome, right? Let's just close this down for now. And then if we actually want to select this, we can select this right here and install one of these templates. It's then going to install the template onto our course. And then we can go through if we just click into installed templates and then we can customize this. So we can go through and we can edit what this text says right here. We can give people an overview into this course. We can go in and we can edit all of these badges right here and the badge that is going to show up. We can see all of the modules down the side. We can edit the category section. And if we actually go into preview this, you can see we can flick along to categories right here. We have module 1 and module 2. We can see the announcements area where you can fill this in and you can add announcements into here. And essentially this is just a game of really play around with these templates, see which one fits, customize it in your own way. And then if we actually want to make this the active template, we just drop this down, go to these 3 dots and click on activate. And then that will become the active template. We can then go over to customers right here. And this is just going to show you all of the customers that you have for this course. Obviously, I just created this, so I don't have any customers, but they would show up in this area. Then we have certificates. So if you want to offer like a certification for your course, we can set that up right here. So we can turn this on, provide certificates for this course. We can then add a logo right here. So if I go in and select my logo, we can have that right there. And then we can just go down and fill in the rest of this. So we can add a title, a subtitle if we want to show the student's name, the completion date. You can set all of that up right there. And that is if you want to provide certificates for this course. Then finally, if I just go up and save this, we can go into the course settings on the back end. And this is how you can edit the title, edit the description, and change the thumbnail right here. So that is how you can create a course inside of Kajabi. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to smash that like button and tap that subscribe button. And until next time, take it easy.